Now today's lecture number 6, that is the transportation of the milk. At the last time we have seen the collection of the milk, or why the milk should be collected from the rural areas. Today's, that is the mode of the transportation of the milk from rural area to the urban areas. So various agencies or the mode that should be required for the transportation of the milk. That is, first one is the mode of transportation, the optimum load that should be transported from this particular agency or the mode, and the optimum distance that should be travel the milk from rural area into the urban area, and particular features of this particular modes, that is the remark. Totally 10 mode of agencies that should be engaged into the transportation of the milk. The first one is head load. The first mode of the transportation of the milk is, that is the head load, and the optimum load into the kg, that is the 15 to 25 kilo or liter milk should be transported by the head, and the distance that should be, that is the minimum 3 to 8 kilometer distance. Now the particular features of this particular mode of transportation is that this type of the mode of transportation is applicable particularly into the hilly areas, generally practice into the short distance and the less amount of the milk that should be carried. But the main feature for this particular mode of transportation is, that is the cheap means in the transportation in all types of the mode. These are the first mode of transportation, that is the head load. Maximum capacity may be 15 to 25 liters or kilograms. The distance may be 3 to 8 kilometer distance, and main features for this method or mode is, it is short distance, and it is the cheap methods or the mode of transportation. The second one is shoulder sling. These methods or the mode of transportation, shoulder sling. The optimum load in this particular mode is up to 40 kilograms or the 40 liters. The distance may be 3 to 6 kilometer transportation, and the main feature of this particular mode is, that is the man using shoulder sling, and it is easier mode of transportation than the head load. Now the third one is, that is the pack of animals. Various types of the animals that should be used for the transportation of milk from a rural area to the urban area. That is the pack of the animal. The optimum capacity is up to 80 liters, 80 or 80 kilograms, and the distance, that is the 6 to 10 kilometers. The main feature of this particular mode of transportation is that the various or the different types of the animal that should be used for the carrying of the milk into the surrounding village. Particularly, for example, in the Punjab, the horse may be used for the transportation of the milk, and in Rajasthan camels may be used for the transportation of the milk. So these are the significant features of this particular mode of transportation. Now the next mode is, that is the bullock cart. The bullock carts may be used for transportation of the milk. The optimum capacity by this method is 300 to 400 liters or kilograms, and the optimum distance that should be transported 10 to 12 kilometers. But the main feature, this particular mode of transportation is very slow, but it is the very cheap as compared to the other mode of transportation. This mode of transportation or the methods that should be adopted is very slow process into transportation, and it is time consuming. Very large amount of time may be required by these methods. Now the next one is bicycle. Bicycle that should be used for the transportation of the milk. The optimum capacity may be 40 kilograms, or the distance that is the 15 to 20 kilometers. The main features of this particular method is, it is useful in the collection of the milk from the village producer, and it is very useful in all parts of the country. Meaning in the country, the bicycle that should be used in all country that should be collecting of the milk from the rural area, and it should be transported into the nearby cities or urban areas. The capacity may be 40 kilograms, distance 15 to 20 kilometers, and it is the cheapest method of the transporting of the milk. Next one is motorcycle. This type of the mode of transportation, the maximum capacity is 150 to 200 kilograms or liters. The maximum distance for transporting of the milk is maybe 10 kilometers, and the main features of this particular method is, it is the easily method from rural area transportation of the milk, quick as well as easily methods transportation of milk producer to the nearby cities or directly to the consumer. The next agencies, that is cycle rickshaws or auto rickshaw. These are the auto rickshaws or cycle rickshaws that should be used for the transporting of the milk from rural area to the urban area. Maximum capacity of this particular mode is 250 to 500 liters or kilograms, and the distance that should be more than 10 kilometers. The main significance of this particular method, it is having the more capacity than the bicycle, quick and easily transporting from rural area to the urban area. These are the main significance of this particular mode of transportation. The next mode of transportation, that is the boat. The maximum capacity or the maximum load, that is 40 to 200 liters or kilograms, and the distance is only 2 to